The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks the return of an icon, blending vintage charm with cutting-edge technology. Originally produced from the 1950s to the 1970s, the Karmann Ghia stood out for its unique blend of elegant Italian design and German engineering. The 2025 reimagining brings this classic coupe into the modern era, respecting its retro heritage while offering contemporary features that appeal to today's car enthusiasts. This modern iteration is not just a nostalgic tribute but a well-engineered, stylish and efficient coupe that competes with other modern retro-themed vehicles like the Ford Mustang, Mini Cooper, and Fiat 500. In an age when electrification and design experimentation define the automotive landscape, the 2025 Karmann Ghia emerges as a stylish statement of individuality and timeless taste. Volkswagen has done a commendable job with the exterior styling of the 2025 Karmann Ghia, carefully blending retro cues with a modern aesthetic. The silhouette immediately evokes the original car with its low-slung stance, rounded fenders and smooth, flowing lines. The front end sports a reinterpretation of the original's curvaceous nose, featuring sleek LED headlamps housed in oval-shaped units that recall the vintage style while ensuring top-notch illumination. The iconic chrome accents make a return, subtly outlining the windows and grille for a touch of elegance. Volkswagen opted for a two-door coupe design, true to the car's origins, but the proportions are more muscular, giving the car a more grounded, sporty appearance. The rear carries a sculpted design with thin LED taillights and dual exhaust tips for the combustion variant. For the all-electric version, the rear bumper is more aerodynamic and minimal, hinting at its zero-emission nature. A selection of retro-themed colors such as pastel blue, vintage cream, and racing green offers buyers a nostalgic palette, while modern hues like matte graphite and crimson red keep things fresh. Optional 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels inspired by the original's hubcap design tie together the visual homage with sophistication. Performance-wise, the 2025 Karmann Ghia comes in both petrol and electric configurations, appealing to a broad spectrum of drivers. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 210 horsepower, mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This setup delivers a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of about 6.8 seconds, providing plenty of power for spirited driving while maintaining excellent fuel economy. The handling is tight and responsive, with a suspension tuned more for grand touring than hardcore performance, making it a comfortable and enjoyable cruiser for the more eco-conscious buyer. Volkswagen offers an all-electric Karmann Ghia variant, built on the company's modular MEB platform. It boasts a single rear-mounted motor producing 250 horsepower and an estimated range of 270 miles on a full charge. The battery supports fast charging, allowing up to 80% capacity in just 30 minutes. The EV variant accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a brisk 5.9 seconds, making it quicker than the combustion version. Its low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, gives it excellent stability in corners, while regenerative braking adds to the futuristic driving experience. Both versions come with selectable driving modes, including Eco, Comfort, and Sport, tailoring throttle response, steering weight, and suspension damping to the driver's preference. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia showcases a balance of classic design and contemporary comfort. Volkswagen took inspiration from the original dashboard layout but updated it with a digital twist. A 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel, offering customizable views for navigation, media, and driving data. At the center, a floating 12.3-inch infotainment screen supports VW's latest MIB4 interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation, and over-the-air software updates. Voice control and gesture recognition make interacting with the system intuitive and futuristic. The cabin materials are high quality, featuring a mix of soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum, and optional wood or carbon fiber trims. Vintage details, such as circular air vents, analog-style climate controls, and a retro 3-spoke steering wheel bring nostalgic flair to an otherwise thoroughly modern cockpit. Seats are supportive and come in both standard leatherette and premium Nappa leather options, with heating and ventilation available. Although a coupe, the Karmann Ghia offers a surprisingly spacious cabin, especially up front. Rear seats are modest but usable for shorter trips or extra cargo space when folded. The trunk offers a respectable 12 cubic feet, and the electric variant includes a small front trunk, or frunk for added utility. The car also comes equipped with a full suite of safety and driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. Volkswagen's semi-autonomous driving feature, Travel Assist, is also available, providing hands-free driving capabilities on certain highways. Pricing for the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia reflects its blend of heritage and high-end features. The base turbocharged petrol model starts at around $34,000, positioning it competitively against similarly styled coupes. A mid-trim level with additional tech, upgraded interior materials, and larger wheels comes in around $38,000. The fully loaded combustion model, featuring adaptive suspension, premium audio, and panoramic sunroof, reaches up to $43,000. The all-electric variant starts higher, at about $42,000, reflecting its modern powertrain and advanced features. A top-spec EV version with extended range, premium interior trim, and autonomous features tops out at $50,000, while this positions the Karmann Ghia as more of a premium lifestyle vehicle than a mainstream offering. It fits well within the market. For retro modern coupes, especially considering the technology and design on offer. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a stunning blend of the past and the future. It successfully resurrects one of Volkswagen's most beloved nameplates in a way that feels both respectful to its roots and relevant to the modern car buyer. The car is not about breaking performance records or offering utility like an SUV, but about making a statement of style, taste, and individuality. With its nostalgic design, balanced performance options, and upscale interior, the Karmann Ghia appeals to a niche yet passionate segment of the market that values automotive artistry as much as innovation. Whether in gasoline or electric form, it delivers a driving experience that's both engaging and comforting, wrapped in a body that turns heads wherever it goes. For those seeking a coupe that stands apart from the crowd, the 2025 Karmann Ghia offers a rare combination of beauty, history, and forward-thinking design.